This is our movement for the day on Swiss franc JPY. So exactly what we said market is going to do for the day, exactly what market did give us. So we predicted that Swiss franc JPY will give us a bullish move. This is what market did. Market gave us a bullish move. So this is to tell you that over 90% of our analysis on Swiss franc JPY is absolutely right. So this is one of the reasons why if you are not yet subscribed and you've not done that yet, make sure you do it to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share, and also make sure you follow the Telegram so you will not miss out on any of it. Now let's see what we will be expecting for the day of this franc JPY. So we will zoom it out, and first thing first, we need to know what the trend is. You can see it on our this franc JPY. We are in an uptrend, so market is what clearly trending to the upside. Now take a look at this moment, guys. If you have to zoom it in, you see this moment, which is the first high. Now here comes the higher low, and market eventually push up one more time to form a new higher high. Here is the higher low. Market eventually push up one more time again to form a new higher high, and this is the higher low. Market eventually give us some more push movement to the upside, which formed a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. Now this is a new high, and this is higher low. So now that we've gotten this higher low right here, so our next movement on Swiss franc JPY is what? A new higher high. So guys, we should be expecting another bullish move to the upside for Swiss franc JPY. It is able to take out this high, thereby forming a new high for us. So that guys, what we'll be expecting for the day on Swiss franc JPY will be a bullish move. Now, could there be any changes to this prediction? Absolutely. If there will be any changes to this prediction I just did, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. I'll make sure I let you guys to be updated. So subscribe in order for you to miss out on the updates, like and share, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.